The ocean, vast and mysterious, has always beckoned to adventurers and explorers, promising untold wonders and hidden treasures beneath its surface. Our journey begins on the deck of a sturdy research vessel, equipped with state-of-the-art technology and manned by a team of dedicated scientists and divers. As we set sail into the open sea, anticipation hangs thick in the air, mingling with the salty breeze that carries the promise of discovery. Our destination lies far from shore, where the ocean's depths plunge into darkness, shrouding secrets that have remained hidden for millennia. Beneath the crystal-clear waters, a mesmerizing world unfolds, where vibrant colors dance amidst the swaying tendrils of a coral reef. Here, in this underwater paradise, life thrives in abundance, as if nature itself has painted a masterpiece beneath the sea. As the sunlight filters down from above, it casts a warm glow upon the coral formations, illuminating a kaleidoscope of hues that seem to come alive with every ripple of the water. Brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow mingle with deep blues and greens, creating a tapestry of color that stretches out before us in all its splendor. Amidst this underwater garden, a small school of fish flits about, their sleek bodies darting through the water with effortless grace. Their scales catch the light, shimmering like precious gems as they weave between the coral branches, their movements a delicate ballet set against the backdrop of the reef. Their synchronized movements formed a spectacle of unparalleled beauty, an awe-inspiring testament to the harmony of nature. It was as though the ocean had gifted us with a glimpse into its hidden wonders, a fleeting glimpse of its boundless majesty. For a timeless instant, we were spellbound, enraptured by the enchanting sight unfolding before us. And then, just as suddenly as it had begun, the towering edifice dissolved back into the depths, the fish dispersing like petals in the wind. Yet, the memory of that extraordinary encounter lingered, a testament to the awe-inspiring wonders that lie beneath the waves. Descending into the abyss, we embarked on a journey of discovery, our senses heightened as we explored the unknown depths. The water grew colder and darker with each passing meter, enveloping us in its silent embrace. Yet, beneath the surface, a world of wonder awaited, concealed from the prying eyes of those above. As we ventured further into the ocean's depths, the outlines of a sunken ship began to materialize before us, its rusted hull adorned with tendrils of seaweed and barnacles. The wreck lay silent and forgotten, a relic of a bygone era now reclaimed by the sea. With each stroke of our fins, we drew closer, our hearts pounding with anticipation. Entering the shadowy interior of the sunken vessel, we were met with an eerie stillness, broken only by the sound of our own breath echoing in the confined space. The air was thick with the scent of salt and decay, mingling with the musty odor of old wood. Around us, the remnants of the ship's former glory lay scattered like forgotten memories, obscured by layers of silt and sediment. Despite the passage of time, signs of life still clung to the decaying wreckage. Schools of fish darted through the darkness, their sleek forms weaving between the rusted metal beams and rotting timbers. Crustaceans scuttled along the ocean floor, their claws clicking against the rusted hull. It was a testament to nature's resilience, a reminder that even in the face of destruction, life finds a way to endure. Venturing deeper into the bowels of the sunken ship, we encountered chambers filled with shadow and mystery, their secrets hidden beneath layers of sediment and debris. Sunlight filtered through cracks in the hull above, casting a ghostly glow upon the scene. We pressed on, driven by a thirst for knowledge and adventure, our hearts racing with every new discovery. As we explored the sunken wreck, our imaginations ran wild with visions of the past, conjuring tales of seafaring adventurers and lost treasure. Yet, amidst the wreckage, we found something far more precious, a deeper understanding of the ocean's mysteries, and the boundless wonders that lie hidden beneath its surface. And so, with our minds ablaze with newfound knowledge and our spirits uplifted by the wonders we had witnessed, we began our ascent back to the world above. Though our time beneath the waves had come to an end, the memory of our journey into the heart of the sunken ship would remain with us forever, a testament to the enduring allure of the ocean's depths. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the depths. Stay tuned for part 2 as we continue to explore the wonders of the ocean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support our channel. Until next time, happy exploring.